Jacobson power burst. I'll have to see if I can get this going. Had it started with gas thrown down the carburetor for another project. Now, see if I can get the tractor started. It's been plugged in for about 45 minutes, I'd say. About 25 degrees out. Has a manifold heater, which doesn't work too well in very cold weather. Since I had the motor rebuilt, I don't think it's worked at all. Oop. I'm gonna take the garbage bag off. Top of my muffler's rusted out, so need to keep that on there to keep the snow and water out. Okay. Let's see what happens. Get neutral. That again. Go. Not sounding good. Whoop.